Practical activity 8.10. Continue with 8.12 absolute referencing. Open the workbook Absolute 2. This worksheet is used to calculate the wage bill for each month. So open the sheet. Okay. And what you have to do is look at the formula in C4, which calculates the cost of workers in in week 1 month. Make any changes necessary to the formula in C4 before replicating it for months 2 to 4. Try copying the formula from C4 to E4 for week 2 workers. What has gone wrong? Why it has gone wrong? Change the formula in C4 so that when replicated both across and down, it will still work. Now replicate the formula down, column C, and across to column E, G, and I. Complete the spreadsheet with formulas in column J. Now, if you have a look at this, what they're saying is, obviously the same way, what I need to do is we need to select is B1 and we need to press the F4 key to lock this function. Right? Now, obviously, if I replicate down, this is what I get, right? Okay, this we have used ran between function or this is why every time these numbers change. Okay. So obviously, if I simply apply this formula, this 4 here, which is B4, and this, it will be wrong because in that particular case, I will be, I want to multiply E4 with B1, not B4, C4 with B1. So if I copy this and if I paste it here, Excel automatically will somehow, you can see, is multiplying B1 with D4. And if I replicate it down, it works. So same way, if I copy this, I can place this here and I can paste this here. So by pasting, you would see is that my answers tend to be correct. So in one go, I've discussed with you is that how can you make it correct? Why do you keep on changing? I'm telling you again, because they've used function ran between. So workers number between 1 and 10, any random value is generated. So this is how this is supposed to be done, right?